Hey friends, on today's video, we are going to be performing a factory reset on this Rock Space Wi-Fi repeater. It's actually a fairly simple process. Let's get into it. Okay, so the only tool you're going to need is either a paper clip or what I like to use is a little cell phone SIM card key. And I just have one of these hanging around. This is going to be perfect to depress our reset button. Now, the Rock Space Wi-Fi repeater does need to be plugged in. You don't need to be connected to an internet connection. As you can see, mine is just powered on. We just need to power it on in order to perform the reset. Now, the reset button is actually on the bottom of the unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to unplug this. I'm going to flip it around upside down so we can get to that button easier. Okay, with our repeater upside down, we can see that reset button now very, very clearly. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hold that down with our little SIM card key. I'm gonna push in and I'm gonna push that button down. As you can see, we get some blinking lights. We're gonna need to hold this for 8 seconds. And as you can see, we have a little reset happening. That's been about 5, 6, 7, 8. When you get that steady blue light again, you can release. And that is it, friends. As soon as you see those blinking lights, you know that the reset is in effect. Wait for that steady blue light and you're good to go. At this point, it is now reset to the factory default setting. Now you can find the default passcodes on the back of the repeater or on the top is also some default information. Friends, I hope this has helped. If it has, would you guys please hit that thumbs up button? Let us know we're making good videos for you. And stay tuned because we got a whole bunch more tech tutorial videos coming up really, really soon.